To be honest, how many times have you opened a book, gazed at a page for 5 minutes, and managed to learn nothing at all? Yes, exactly. I'm going to show you 5 AI tools that students should use in 2026 to study more effectively, retain more information, and feel much more confident going into exams. All without staying up late, drinking cold coffee, and worrying. RemNote AI comes first. This app is more than just a note-taking tool. It functions as your brain's memory coach. RemNote automatically transforms your regular notes into intelligent flashcards. Then, just as you are about to forget, it displays them to you. Therefore, your brain learns things gradually over time rather than cramming the night before. It's ideal for courses where recalling specifics is crucial, like biology, medicine, or history. Consider it a study companion that will never forget what you forget. Cite AI comes in second. Have you ever used a fact for an assignment and secretly hoped it was true? That is fixed by Cite. It does more than just display research. It also indicates whether other studies confirm or refute that assertion. This implies that you are writing intelligent essays rather than just essays. Instructors adore this type of work, and, to be honest, it makes you feel like a mini researcher rather than someone who is merely copying websites. Jenny AI comes in third. This is for the times when your teacher hands you a 40-page PDF and instructs you to read it tomorrow. Jenny condenses lengthy books, articles, and research papers into concise, understandable summaries. You can grasp the key points in minutes rather than being overwhelmed by pages. It's similar to having an extremely quick reader who only highlights the crucial information and ignores the dull passages. Heptabase AI comes in fourth. This tool will feel familiar to you if your mind thinks in pictures rather than words. It allows you to connect concepts on a visual board, which is similar to creating a mind map but more intelligent. You can drag ideas around, connect topics, and see how everything works together. For subjects like anatomy, engineering, or theory-heavy courses where one topic flows into another, this is fantastic. Studying now seems more like understanding than memorization. Lastly, StudyFetch AI. This one automatically creates practice tests, flashcards, and quizzes from your notes, slides, or PDFs. You test yourself as if it were the real thing, rather than speculating about what might be on the test. Additionally, you feel more confident the more you practice. Without the frightening face and stopwatch, it's similar to having a personal exam trainer. There you have it, 5 AI tools being used by students in 2026 to save time, relieve stress, and study with intention. These tools will not wave their magic wands to automatically get you passing grades in class, but they will help you make the effort pay off once and for all. Which one would you want to try out? Tell me in the comments, and remember to subscribe, as at Insightsphere AI, we do not just study harder, we study smarter. Thank you. See you next time.